Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm a customer's house, pulling off the hoses for the water heater. They use these braided hoses, which I usually don't recommend because they fail. This one failed over here. The plastic broke and started shooting water out of here from when they installed them with pressure. So if you're gonna go the quick way, use steel, stainless, much better. It will kink instead of break, versus this one, if it kinks, it just breaks. Obviously, if you kink it and you see that it's kinked, just pull it out and replace it.